My hair loss started when I was about 15, 16 years old. I didn't notice it myself at first, but my mom was cleaning the shower drain in the bathtub one day and noticed a lot of hair in there. And then after that, it rapidly accelerated throughout high school. I had bariatric surgery in 2015, and that's one of the primary reasons why I started my Instagram page. Posted a photo of myself just out of surgery without any hair on. People had a lot of questions, and it was at that point in time that I decided to not only discuss weight loss and bariatric surgery, but also talk about my battle with alopecia. There is so much life to live after hair loss. My name is Rosemarie Rivera, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, by way of Puerto Rico. I work as an insurance adjuster. I enjoy connecting with my followers on Instagram and sharing my health and hair journey with my community. In my early 20s, decided to go to a dermatologist again, and I was formally diagnosed with androgenetic alopecia. Until my hair loss just got so severe that I didn't have a choice. And I just decided one day, I'm kind of a go big or go home type of girl, so I just shaved my head and I bought synthetic short little bob from the internet and I wore her to work. My go-to type of hair has been primarily synthetic because it is quick, easy, I don't have to spend a lot of time styling it. I tend to stick to a nice professional short bob. On the weekends, it's a totally different story. I feel confident and sassy in my long wigs. I loved switching up the colors as well. I learned so much today in just seeing how the pieces were manipulated and styled in a way that I never would have honestly comprehended, that I feel like I can just take this knowledge home with me, and I'm really just chomping at the bit to start playing with my own pieces back home. I feel in this particular style that I'm wearing at the moment like a badass. I feel like I just came out of a music video. Honestly, I feel like a completely different person on the opposite end of the spectrum, and that is a really good thing. At the end of the day, hair loss, while devastating, is not the end of your life. There is so much life to live after hair loss. That's what I have to do. And I have the best hair of my life now, after losing my hair.